I've been digging into AI bias, and here's the conversations no one's really having. Everyone says AI is biased because of bad data, but that's not the real problem. The biggest bias happens before AI is even built. I work in AI, and this completely shocked me. Most people think we just need to clean up the data, but the real bias hides in two places almost no one looks: how the data is handled and who decides what AI gets to build in the first place. Let me cook for a minute. First, data gets changed before AI ever sees it. Before AI uses data, humans clean it, mix it, and reshape it. That's called data cleaning. It sounds harmless, but it's not. Imagine you have a list of addresses and birthdays. When you combine them, AI can start guessing race or income, even though you never told it those things. And here's why that's dangerous. Companies check the original data, but they don't check what happens after it gets mixed and matched. And that version can be way more biased. So sometimes the problem isn't AI. It's how we prepare the data in the first place. And that's just the data part. Here's where it gets even sneakier. Bias also comes from the tools that collect the data. Cameras placed in some neighborhoods more than others, sensors that don't work well on darker skin, and devices built for certain body types. So AI isn't seeing the full picture of the world. It's like trying to see the world through foggy glasses. AI never had a fair view to begin with. But the deepest bias, the part that makes people really uncomfortable, AI bias starts before anyone writes code. If a system is already unfair, like housing or healthcare, and you build AI to make it more efficient, you didn't fix it. You just made the unfairness faster. And here's the wild part. Choosing what to build AI for is a bias. Tracking workers instead of protecting them, surveilling neighborhoods instead of investing in them, predicting harm instead of preventing it. That's not an AI problem. That's a people in power problem. And sometimes the biggest bias is deciding to build a system at all. So fixing AI bias isn't just about fixing code. It's about asking, why did we build this? And who does this actually help? That's the real conversation. Comment bias to read some of the research on this.